Hi there, my name is Micah Helmuth Comedy. No relation. But if you remember from last week, Penchers, he fixed this here laptop. At least he thinks so. But let's not tell him that he actually broke it, because he has a sensitive heart and we need to be careful with him around and stuff like this. But just go see if we can fix it, make it seem like it's not broken anymore maybe, I don't know. It's missing a lot of keys and I don't know, it's gonna be pretty hard, but we're gonna try it. Now to fix the laptop today, pretty much the only tool we have is duct tape. So I think that'll work pretty good, but we'll see. Yeah. Oh, got it, finally. You might also need a golf club. I was really struggling getting this tape open. So we just put it on there and just like that. Now we got the tape. We don't need this club anymore. Gonna start with some reinforcement tape. Just hold. Golf club will come real in handy here. So you just need to break the duct tape. There we go. Works super good, not destructive at all. Alright. I think this will work good. Wait a minute. I sure didn't think that through. It'll just be like a paperweight, I guess. But let's go give it to Penchers. Hey Penchers, got the laptop for you. Catch. Why you put tape on it? I fixed it. Why do you have to try to fix it? Why don't you appreciate how I fixed it? Ouch, don't do that. I sure didn't expect him to get so upset over that. I mean, it's just a broken computer. We don't even use this computer. It was already broken before he used it. Stop crying. You know I'm a sympathetic crier.
Wah! I'm a little baby because I cry over a broken computer that was already broken. Wah!
Stop it, you're being silly. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you next time.